One of the features in the upcoming version 2010.2 of the Extra Reports suite is an end-user reports designer that supports the multiple document interface. This means that you are no longer limited to editing a single report within the end-user designer or launching multiple instances to work on multiple reports simultaneously. Let's take a quick look at this feature in action. Here is the standard report designer, where I've loaded a report containing a sub-report. You'll immediately notice the tab pertaining to the currently loaded report. This tabbed layout will by default allow us to create or load multiple reports into the designer. To open the sub-report, I simply double-click the sub-report control, and the corresponding report layout is loaded in a separate tab. Let's create some more reports. I click on New to create an empty report layout. From the Controls toolbar, I drag and drop two label controls onto the page. So let's assume a scenario where you'll need to copy content between two separate reports. I select and copy the two controls I've just created. I click on the New button again to create another empty report layout. I'll right-click within the detail band and select Paste to copy the controls from the previous report onto this one. You can see how much more convenient it is to work with multiple layouts when using an MDI interface. I can switch to any of the reports instantly simply by clicking the tab header. The window menu also gives me a list of currently open reports and allows me to switch between them. By unchecking the tabbed interface item, the reports are displayed in Windows in cascading mode. When I invoke the window menu again, you can see that a few more options have been added. In addition to the default cascade view, I can tile the windows horizontally or vertically. Since I have an even number of windows, however, the layout is not changed. The multiple reports and tabbed view functionalities are also available within the Ribbon End User Designer. Let's add a label control and a checkbox to the report page. I'll copy these, create a new report, and paste them onto the new page. I can create and load many more reports and switch between them by using the tabbed interface. Please note that the End User Reports Designer cannot be compiled against or deployed using the client profile of the .NET framework. To use all of its available functionality, the designer requires the full installation of the .NET framework on the client machine. Thanks for watching, and of course, thank you for choosing DevExpress.